In this video, you will learn how to block a lost or stolen Heartland Bank card. Call the debit card hotline. Dial the Heartland Bank customer support number with regular hours or a dedicated or stolen card line after hours. Select the appropriate menu option. Follow the prompts and usually select the option to report a lost or stolen card. Confirm your identity. Provide for personal information such as your account number or verification information to verify that the account is yours. Request to deactivate the card immediately. Ask the representative to block the card permanently to prevent unauthorized use. Order a replacement card. Request a new debit card. During the same call, they will arrange shipment to your registered address. Monitor your account for suspicious activity. Keep an eye out on your account, then report any unauthorized transactions to your bank immediately. Now you know how to block a lost Heartland Bank card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.